So this is my midterm video, and I was tasked with choosing a geologist to study in his or her works, and so I stumbled upon tectonics and volcanology outreach studied by Aisha Morris. Aisha Morris is the program director of the National Science Foundation. Before she was actually the education specialist and director of the research experiences in solid earth science for students. She has a PhD in geology and geophysics in the areas of volcanology and general geology. She studied at Duke University, Brown University, and the University of Hawaii at Manoa. She researches submarine volcanology and planetary volcanology. Submarine volcanology focuses primarily on volcanoes in deep seas rather than the shallows, and their formation and actions in relation to tectonics and etc. Studying volcanoes is obviously a large part of her field. And then planetary science relates to the study of the planets' planetary systems, like their moons and gas clouds, and in geology on their moons and asteroids and comets, etc. And she focused on geology and evolutions of volcanic terrain, mostly on Earth, but other terrestrial planets as well. And from what I learned from Aisha Morris's little biography, is that you keep your mind open. She changed her pathway from the medical field into the geologic direction, and she followed her passions, and followed her gut, and she found something she really loved. And even though she's not doing field work anymore, she feels that she's still actively contributing to the field and what she's passionate about. So thank you for watching.